Think you know everything about the Xiaomi 14T Pro? Think again, there are some surprises you won't believe. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has just hit the shelves, and it's causing quite a buzz. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious, this review will cover everything you need to know. From its groundbreaking features to the minor quirks, we've got it all. Many users are asking, can the Xiaomi 14T Pro really compete with other flagship phones? With so many options in the market, choosing the right smartphone can be overwhelming. Let's explore if this device truly stands out. The Xiaomi 14T Pro boasts a sleek design and a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 140 Hz refresh rate. It comes in three elegant colors: Titan Black, Titan Gray, and Titan Blue. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, the phone should handle heavy multitasking with ease. It comes with options of 12 GB or 16 GB. RAM and storage ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, with a 5000 mAh battery. On paper, the camera setup is impressive, featuring a 50MP main sensor with Leica lenses. We'll test its low-light photography and video stabilization to see how it performs in real-world conditions. Running on Android 14 with Hyperos, Xiaomi's custom skin offers unique features. But is it user-friendly or cluttered with bloatware? With a starting price of $889 for the Xiaomi 14T Pro global models, featuring 12 GB RAM and either 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, and going up to $1,001 for the 12 GB RAM and 1 TB storage variant, the Xiaomi 14T Pro packs a punch. But is it really worth the investment compared to other brands? Let's break it down and find out if it truly offers the best bang for your buck. After testing all these aspects, the question remains, is the Xiaomi 14T Pro the ultimate smartphone for you? We'll reveal our final verdict and who this phone is best suited for. So if you're looking for a powerful, affordable smartphone, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is definitely worth considering. It's got everything you need and more at a fraction of the cost of flagship phones. Subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and tips, and be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be comparing the iPhone 16 series versus iPhone 15 series battery drain test.